First, turn on the power. Introduce the control buttons on the panel. Power on button. Power off button. Emergency button. Inching button. Speed button. Step 1. Load the paper roll. This is the pneumatic upper paper rack, operated by this switch. Push the large paper roll to this place. Flip this switch to load the paper. Push the large paper roll. Keep pushing. Stuck in this clasp. The position of the paper roll can be adjusted left and right through this hand wheel. The other two paper rolls are placed in the corresponding positions by the same method. Then turn on the synchronous conveyor belt. The synchronous conveyor belt for the first row is opened by this switch. The second one is here. The third one is here. The three synchronous conveyor belts are all opened. The first layer of paper comes from below. Enter the embossing rollers through here. The second layer of paper passes through this paper guide tube on top of the first roll. Enter the embossing roller. The third layer of paper enters the embossing roller from the top through this paper guide tube. Press the inching button to slowly pass the paper through the embossing roller. After passing the embossing roller, the paper enters the feed roller through the underside of the paper guide tube. Lift the feed roller by the button shown above and pass the paper through the feed roller. After the paper passes through, put the roller down. Then pass through the perforated roller. Turn off the perforating roller by the button shown above. Pass the paper through the perforation roller. Press the inching button to move the paper through the perforated roller. After the paper passes through the perforated roller, it comes over this paper guide tube and enters the felt roller. Lift the felt roller first, put it down after passing through the paper. After the paper passes through the felt roller, hold the paper with one hand and press the inching button with the other hand to pull the paper out. Open the operation interface. Click the Change the Volume button. Place both hands on the two proximity switches. Machine starts running.